Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, and a short flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose. The drain hose connects the dishwasher to the air gap. It carries dirty water from the dishwasher to the drain. If there is water coming out from under the dishwasher, after each drain cycle, the dishwasher should be pulled out and the drain hose checked for cracks and splits and replaced if needed. Open the door and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws that secures the dishwasher to the countertop. Put the towel in a plastic container under the shadow valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull the dishwasher out. Place the towel under the drain hose on the floor. At the back of the dishwasher, locate the retainer bracket where the drain hose meets with the sump drain hose. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, loosen up the hose clamp and pull the drain hose off. Be prepared to catch some not so clean water. Remove the clamp from the old drain hose. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the hose clamp on the new drain hose. Connect the drain hose and the sump hoses, and using the small flat blade screwdriver, tighten the clamp. And install the dishwasher under the counter. Pull the drain hose, the inlet hose, and the power cord through the divider. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Open the door and secure the dishwasher to the countertop with the two Phillips screws. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.